Try the bigger one.
This is good. This side.
Yeah, it could be at least like that. Okay, can I
Or
put
bigger
this?
than that.
I can put it in here for you. Can I put it here? Thai basil.
Hmm.
Just like that. Eggplant, and then have cilantro, sauce with coriander. We're gonna get lemongrass. We're gonna cut chai. Oh, the salad for 3 people. Two for soup. Who is that? 2 for soup. Yes. Can you bring the knife and you come with me over here? This is a salad. Different than the one you have at home. But this guy, they don't like sun. Also like half day sun, but not the whole day, otherwise get dry. Smell nice.
Oh yeah, that's very good.
Small but strong flavor. It's very good for the soup. Alright, so you cut them. When you cut them, look, you're looking for the big stalk, right, like that. We don't need a lot, just like 3 big one. Yeah?
Okay.
We're gonna use the whole thing, naka, each. Person 3. We have a soup bowl like that. We have like carrot, yeah, mushroom, cabbage, tofu, you know, and celery, spring onion. Yeah. Okay. This is a sawtooth coriander, the one I just picked. Certificate today. This is the holy basil. Yeah, like that. 10 branches.
Okay,
What's that?
It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 eggplant here. Why did you cut it? Yeah. What did you do? Okay. Where did you cut this one from? See, when you pick it, you don't pick small one. When I show you, I tell you big one because this one it will keep growing. For the class, then I don't have the next one to pick up. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. So, did you add this? 1 spoon. Like it? In the bowl.
Does it need a little bit of?
You want more salty? Soy sauce.
Maybe. Yeah.
น้องขอซีอิ๊วขาวไอ้คนนี้มา Squeeze the lime.
Squeeze it now or after boiling the coriander?
Nice. This one we use for, this is good, but this one for later for garnish. So now squeeze the lime, pour this into the bowl. Let it boil. You don't put too much. You see, tomatoes break apart and make the soup taste. Squeeze the lime. You like the taste? You can taste it. So we both taste. We should try. You need more fish sauce, more chili, more lime. Yeah. Did you squeeze the lime?
Yeah.
Where's the lime? Okay.
Salt.
You didn't add fish sauce. You're supposed to add fish sauce, 1
We
tablespoon.
didn't like the taste of fish sauce.
You have to add them in. You'll be fine. You don't taste it. Try it. Guarantee. You don't smell. You don't taste it.
Mine is turned off.
I know you're from India. You don't do fish sauce, but you do salt at home. But today, Thai cooking, we use fish sauce for salty taste, but also umami instead of salt. You can do salt, but try. You won't smell. You don't taste it. Trust me.
Yeah.
Like I make when
But
I cook
umami
Indian.
taste.
Yeah. When I cook Indian food, we cannot add fish sauce in Indian food too because taste too strong. In Indian, it doesn't. The recipe is not good together. You have a quick taste again. You guys, you have that squeeze the lime already? Turn the gas on. Go taste your soup. See if you want it on top. Sit on top of it. Okay.
My heat's not working. I can't get it. Oh.
When you go up here, it's off. See? You wanna turn the gas on both? Yeah.
I was trying. It wasn't turning on.
It's okay. Squeeze the lime. You cut, yeah, put in the bowl. Cut this one big piece, yeah, and squeeze the lime. Let's try the soup. You put the soup in the bowl. Do you add fish sauce? Did you taste the fish sauce? Yeah, nice. Yeah. Done. Everything ready to eat. Wow, it's good. You have to taste it. Then you need more. If you need more lime, you tell me. You taste it first. If you want more chili, you tell me. I need more.
I want more.
Ah,
Who's the best?
I want more sour.
more sour. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Turn the gas off before the prawn overcook. Turn the gas off. It's good, no? Okay. Here we go. You ask me, you trust me, you taste it first, and I will fix it for you. Taste it first. Did you add sugar? You add fish sauce? You do?
One flat spoon.
You like yours? You like yours? In the bowl. Bring to eat.
Okay.
ขอบมะนาว Alright.
Uh-huh.
Because you two didn't add same amount that I tell you to do. That's your way.
Sugar.
Yeah. But sugar and fish sauce, you add less because you're afraid. You take my cooking class. You trust me. For now, you remember that taste. You wanna make what is to make it good. Yeah. You add fish sauce. Another half spoon more. Add more. This is how we're gonna learn. We call it adjust. Yeah. Sugar. Little half more. Squeeze the lime. You taste it first because I want you to learn how it change.
I want more sour.
You taste first. So this is my food now. Now it's my taste, yeah? Sour, you squeeze the lime, you didn't squeeze the whole thing. You see what happened here? The lime is 5 baht. Squeeze everything out. You see? There's a lot of juice halfway from what you squeeze. And you need a bit more fish sauce. And need a little bit more sugar. Yeah, and we taste. We're gonna taste. You can add more chili. Tom yum, your taste should be spicy and sour on top, and then salty a little bit. And sugar, you don't taste it. Because sugar to balance the flavor. Now we all taste together. You taste them because I want you to learn how the flavor change, how we complete them. Yeah, how we complete them. More sugar, more pizza. Now we taste them. You taste it compared to before. Nicer, more fish sauce, more sugar, with more lime. You want to add even more lime? Now it's your personal taste. Different, no? Just try to add a little bit more. If you think like, okay, I think it could be better. Because you're learning, try to adjust everything more and that. Try to bring balance. But this is how I will eat my tom yum. This is what I like. But then